all, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing of two square diamond kits, the first being Petals Fall and the other is Iris of the Rainbow. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. So first we have Petals Fall by Yume Art. It is square, as mentioned. You can tell by the square on the front along with the blue branding. This is a 40 by 20 inch piece, or 102 by 51 centimeters. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to begin with, I have the box sticker here. This you can either stick on the end of your box or in your logbook or do whatever else you want with it. Some people make cover minders with them, you know, whatever you'd like. This is a sticker. And then we have the toolkit. Okay, so first we have the bag of bags. Then we have the little heart caddy with the 2 pads of wax. There we go, there are the 2 pads of wax. So when you use the wax, make sure you peel back one side of the plastic so that you can get at the wax. And then have the tweezers, since it is a square kit. They're branded. Then we have a pink sparkly pen with a pink grippy. We have the 4 and the 7 thin placers, and we have the white tray with a stopper, and then for washi, is the washi, and the cover minder is a green macaron, whatever. And so a cover minder has 2 magnets. You put this on the bottom of the painting. This goes on top of the plastic to hold it down. So yeah, let me go ahead and stick the toolkit away, and we'll get into the rest of the unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with these. So we'll go through this once. This is the thank you / instructional brochure. So in front we have a message from the founder. Next we have what's included with the kits on this side. Over here in the center we have 2 QR codes. One is for an instructional video, the top one, and this one is to join the VIP group, which you can do once you make your first purchase through Diamond Art Club. Then this is step-by-step instructions if you want it in written form, and then this side has tips and tricks along with a code for your next a coupon code for your next purchase. Thank you 10. On the back we have 2 QR codes, one's for iPhone and one's for Androids, and you get 20% off if this is your first app purchase. So you can download the apps using these QR codes. Okay, so here is the sticker page. This is the original artwork. On top here it says the name of the artwork along with the artist, a start and end date, and then the specs are down here. On this side we have individually pre-cut stickers. There are 42 colors. The top 2 are AB drills. ABs are Aurora Borealis, and then they just make everything sparkle a little bit more. And there are 2 of them. They're number 1 and 2. ABs in Diamond Art Club is anything below 150. So one thing I will mention, because we will go through all drills, is here on top there is a sticker so that if you keep your drills stored separately, you have a way to match them back up. We have the SKU as well as the name of the artwork. Since this is a diamond poured glue canvas, you can go ahead and roll it backwards, which I will to help the process of flattening it out. It is made of tarpaulin, so it will flatten on its own. This is just to expedite the process. Do not do this if you are using double-sided adhesive or mounted glue if they use that. You can tell that poured glue usually has this plastic, and whereas if they were using double-sided adhesive or mounting tape, it's usually like white solid covering that they use. So this is the art. I know you are never going to see it all. Let's see if we can just go through most of it. So just a few things as I go through. This legend on the one side. Then on the other side, there's a legend on the bottom right corner. Up at top, which you can't see, it says, "Do It Makes You Sparkle Diamond Art Club." Over in this corner, there is the specs along with the thumbnail of the original art. In the center here is the social medias. And then over here is the lifetime warranty, sorry. So I'll just go ahead and scan through here for you. So from left to right. And there you go. Okay, so first off we have 3865, which is an off-white-ish. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags of that. So this one is very white heavy. And then we have 775, 1, 2 bags of that. And then we have 762, 2 bags of that. And we have 778, 160, 414. Then we have 3861, 931, and 3727. Okay, so we have 3756, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of that. And we have 605, 1, 2, 3 bags of that. We have 415, 3743, 128, that's our first AB, and there are 3 bags of that. And then we have 819, 2 bags of that, 3 bags of that, and then 152, 159, 603, 2 bags of that. And we have a small string of the bigger bags. This is 818, 2 bags of that, 602, 604, 2 bags of that, and then 318. Here, so we have 967, 161, 758, 930, 3750, 600, 3841, 814, 304, 310, 452, 317, 353, 3860, 3809, 3810, 779, 130. That's our second AB. There's only a very few of those. And then 3326 and 3803. A few of each of those. One is the 126 or 128 rather, which is the pink AB. I think this was, oh, there we go. And to begin, okay, so we'll start over on this side. So one, if we see, there is some ones in here, there are some right over here, in through here, and up through here. There's some over here. A few over here, some in through here. There's some over here. There are a few right over here. And let's see. And there are ones all throughout in here, and through here, all throughout in here, and through here, and through here, all through here, in here, 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 someone through here, and through here, and in through here, all through here, and through here, here, up here, or here. There's some in through here, and through here, and through there. And then a bunch in through up here, and all throughout here, and through here, and here, and here. Bunch in through here, here, and through here. So they're in all the flowers. So we'll continue over to this side, and so they're all throughout, through here, here, all through here, through here, some in here, here, throughout here, some in here, throughout here, 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 through here, and here, up through here, all throughout here, and down here, and through here, and in through here, and in through here. Then there are some over here. And yeah. So yeah, there's and then some throughout in through here also. So yeah, there are a lot of ones. Let's see, 130, this yellow is number 2. So there are only a few of them, and really the places that they are in the center of some of the bigger flowers. So there's like one there, there's one there, there, and as we go up to the top, there's one there, and there, and there's one there, 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 and there's one there, there. There. So that's it. That's all of them. But yeah, super happy to have this. I picked this up on the restock. I played the flute growing up, also played the violin, so at some point I'll probably get the violin one, but that's a round one, so not quite as interested, but do like it, so probably will end up getting it. Yeah, so this is really beautiful. I love the pink flowers, and the glass flute is beautiful, and I love the way that the girl looks as well. So yeah, super happy to have this one, and let me quickly pack this one up and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my second Diamond Art Club unboxing. This is Iris of the Rainbow. It is by Meredith Dillman, and it is a square again, as you can tell by the blue branding and the blue square on the front. It is a 25.6 by 32.7 inch, and that is 65 by 83 centimeters. No clue where I got the 50 from, don't mind me. In any case, we'll go ahead and get into this. Then we'll go ahead and get into the toolkit first, and the sticker. So this is a box sticker. It is gives all the specs and the original artwork. Okay, so we have the branded tweezers, since this is a square kit. We have a black pen with a matching squishy. We have the bag of bags. We have the 4 and then the 7 thin plastic multi-placers. We have the caddy with the wax. Make sure that 2 pads of wax. Make sure that you peel off the plastic before on one side before you try to use the wax. We have this washi. It's a foil washi tape, so I've heard it doesn't work quite as well, and it can leave residue and or stain the background, so just beware. And then this is the cute cover minder. It is a little bear. So that's super cute. And we also have the older tray, since this is a slightly older kit, but this is the clear tray with a stopper with the little gold specks in it, which they have now transitioned away from to a white tray. But yes, so we'll go ahead and pack this up and then get into the rest of the kit. Okay, so we have the brochure, which I am not going to go through again. And then we have the sticker sheet. So we have the name of the painting, the artist, start end date, the original artwork, and the specs. On this side we have all of the individually pre-cut stickers. There are 57 colors, of which the first 4 are ABs. AB is anything below 150, as mentioned earlier. Girls again have the name of the artwork along with the SKU, so that if you store them separately you can match them back up. So this is definitely not big enough to fit on, or way too big to fit on my table. So here is that side, and then there is that side. I'm sorry that I can't show you the whole thing, but even if I did, it would look right because of the way the table is. First off, we have 819. There are 2 bags of that. Then we have 3865, which is the off-white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of that. So we have a lot of white. And then this is 745, 3770, 2 bags of that. 3756, 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of that. 951. 827, 2 bags of that. Okay, and then we have 2 bags of 818, 340, 2 bags of 3325, 126 is our first AB, 963, 2 bags of that, 3755, 2 bags of that, and then my next AB is 101. Okay, so we have 772 and 900, and our third AB, which is 103. 826, 701, 3837, 954, 304, 702, 211, 3853, 3721, 891, 3771, 3778, 955, 893, 824, 3854, 351. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 775, 794, 2 bags of that, and then 210. And we have 208, 209, 550, 699, 902, 221, 3722, 315, 754, 703, 3830, 3326, 301, 3835, 3836, 356, 894, 141, that's our last baby, 938, and 3371. Number 1, which is 101. Which is this blue 80. And they're numbered 1 through 4. So to begin with, there are some ones right in through here, and then through here, and some right in through here, well within here and here, through here, 1 through here, through here, through here. And we'll go ahead and move there. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to take them through there. Okay, so there are ones in through here and here, and there's that one through here, a few in here, one there, some in here, 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 some in here, some there, and there, some throughout and through here, some So I think that's all the ones there. So here are the twos. And there are the red. So, there are twos in through here and all throughout in here. There are twos up here. Twos in all the butterflies here. Twos in there. Twos over here and in here. Also twos in this guy right here. Three is this lavender color. 126. And so there are threes all throughout in here and in through here, up through here, and through here, all throughout this portion of her dress, through here, here, through here, here, all the way up here, and through here, through here. See. And then also through here. And see the butterflies as well. Oops, sorry. No, those are different numbers. Okay, so primarily in her bodice here, and then also throughout the dress. 141, so they're the whites right there. And then, so there are fours right there, there, and in through here, right in there, in through here, and in through here, and right there. Also a few fours right in through here. So yeah, they're just like a few random fours throughout here. There are a few also right in through here. And also right in here. A couple right in there. A few right in here. And then, yeah, I think that is it. Overall, super happy to have this, and yeah, I really love the butterfly details. That basically is almost a halo that flows from her hair, and then I just love all the like pastel-y type colors in this. It's a nice change of pace instead of dealing with like 310s to deal with the whites. The 30 was it 3865, 30, whatever the white is. Yeah, 3865. So in any case, the white is all these little square dots here. So yeah, looking forward to getting to this one, and really do enjoy the coloring on it. And with that, I will say goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.